just got a keyboard. They're having a key freezing problem. And there's the model of the keyboard. There's the model of the keyboard. It's PSR E443. So here's the keyboard now, it's on. So we're gonna try the key. The main problem that I brought for having key freezing problem. See? The key is working. This is not working. This is working. This key too is not working, so now it's two keys that we're having. They want I turn the picker, or I turn it stop. I turn the picker, it stop. I turn the picker, it stop. So we're having this at one. This key is working. This is not working too. So there is 1, 2, 3 key, 4. 5 here. We just added it to make it 6 because I turn the work do. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have a 12 key that is not working. So after we finish testing the key, so I have to open the key to find the problem, how it can be solved. So by the time of the video, the other schools then we're losing it beyond the scene. So it's only 2 schools that are remaining to be losing. So here is the speaker on the table. And this line is for the battery. Here is the battery connection. So now we're about to go to the key. Let the speaker about to mark all of the keys that are having a problem so we can know them well. So, 10 in the run. We have to mark all of the 0 keys that are facing. So here is the thing I'm going to use. So this key is working. This is working, but it's sticking. So I'm going to mark it too. Problem. I turn the keyboard, I turn the stop it. Okay, how to do it. Nice key. finally, these are the keys that will be able to freeze in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13. Before it was 12, so it is one that is sticking to our time is sticking well. Well, I would like for all to focus on this side before we come on this side. Because this side, we're only having one key with problem. But on this side, the majority of the key are not working. So in removing the core, you have the two clip that is back here. So you have to press the click and leave it off before you be able to remove it. So there are a lot of keys that are broke too. So lay it close to us so you get me a mistake, we should know the amount of key that I get problem, so we can be able to sort it out. So yeah, carbon are responsible to produce the sound. So there are many ways to get out of V-face. Other people mean it. The cause of the one it be a dust at time that can cause the freezing of the key. So sometimes you clean it, it's gonna work for you. But if not work too, you have to wrap pencil on each of them properly. Then be able to try to do that. Many times it work because here is a carbon. And pencil, while it's in the pencil, is also a carbon too. So by you rubbing it, it will be able to make a proper connection. So on the last method again is to change this cat. We'll do the repairing. So the first thing we have to clean here first properly. Clean all the properly. So after you got you clean it, like I was talking, you have to use a pencil to go over each of them. So for the time of the video, we're just going to start one, then the rest we will do it behind the scene to go over them. But it's the same thing, nothing going to change. Rub the pencil over every key. But in rubbing the pencil, because you know the pencil is a carbon, so there are a lot of connections that are joined together. So you have to disconnect the connection them. So how will you disconnect the connection? Here's the way you're going to go away. So if free space that is between here, you have to rub the probe of the metal or any metal to clean between the space here properly. Every connection that is made will be disconnected. See, each connection you have to disconnect it. If you don't disconnect it, at times it will work, but at times some money won't work. So you have to disconnect it, you have to do everything possible. So we'll just do one key, then the other one we're going to do it behind the scene again. But it's the same idea, nothing changed. So we have to rub the carbon on each of the lug to each of the mouth. We have to rub the pencil there properly to we'll do it for a few again. Then from there, we'll do the other one the same behind the scene. For you to try it to see what key will stay freeze. So this is working. This is a pick up finally. Here's a pick-up. Here's a pick-up too. Here's a pick-up. Here's a pick-up. See? Here's a pick-up. Here's a pick-up. So this is key breaker is why I press my hand. Balancing. Balancing, when you're not good, it sounds so when you are balancing here. Put it good. So finally, the key so it's to our because we're going to go and clean on it, at time it work, at time it will not work. So if there's one key that on the freeze, so we still have to do one work at the end there. There's just a texture and losing that one. While the tie is going to work proper. So now we'll complete all of the key. For the one is the same work that we did here, it's just the same work. So you see now we're going to test all of the key to see that if they are working properly. Yeah, so we have now complete the work. So we want to try all of the key to see the work that we complete. To see everything working. So we are about to try the key. So you see, trying all of the key to see if everything is working. Finally, all of the keys are working perfectly. So once again, I want you to subscribe to my channel, like and share.